The Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G is a symphony of innovation, luxury, and power. With Fusion design, a 3D curved AMOLED display, in-display fingerprint sensor, sharp 1.5 gig resolution, flagship IP68 protection, Elegance Meets Endurance, true 200 MP OIS, 120 W HyperCharge, and the global debut of the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra 5G. This SuperNote transcends the realm of smartphones. It's a masterpiece that blends art and technology seamlessly, offering an unparalleled experience that goes beyond expectations. Elevate your mobile journey with Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, where innovation meets perfection. The phone has a glass back design with a plastic frame. Xiaomi has included IP68 dust and water resistance, making it far more durable even in rough conditions than its predecessor. The iPhone comes with MIUI 14.0 and Android 13 out of the box, but will be among the first Xiaomi devices to get Android 14 and HyperOS update this year. Fusion design filled opulence with the all-new Fusion design on the SuperNote. Immerse yourself in the stunning vegan leather texture paired with a stylish color block pattern that elevates the aesthetics of the Redmi Note series to unparalleled heights. It's not just a smartphone, it's a fashion statement that mirrors your sense of style. It will be available in 3 colors: Fusion Black, Fusion Purple, and the Fusion White pictured here. 3D curved AMOLED display witness innovation unfolds with the introduction of the first ever 3D curved display on the Redmi Note series. The 4-sided ultra-thin bezel and a 25-degree curvature not only enhance the visual appeal but are meticulously designed for the perfect hand grip. Immerse yourself in a display that doesn't just meet expectations. It exceeds them. Stylishly secure display fingerprint sensor security meets style with Redmi Note. First in-display fingerprint sensor supporting dark light, unlocking and heart rate detecting. Sharp 1.5 resolution elevated visual experience with the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5X. Impressive 1.5 resolution compared to a standard HD display. The technology provides a much denser pixel per inch ratio, resulting in a sharper, visually pleasing experience. Immerse yourself in a world of clarity and vividness like never before. Flagship IP68 Protection fearlessly face the elements with the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G's flagship IP68 Protection. With 19 key structural components waterproof, this smartphone reaches pro-grade protection against water and dust. Life's uncertainties are no match for the SuperNote. It's ready for whatever challenges come your way. Elegance Meets Endurance corridor. Kick to stand the protection. The display on the SuperNote is the most durable, courtesy of Corning glass victive protection that offers its Gorilla Glass yet, making the SuperNote twice as scratch resistant as its predecessor. The strongest Redmi Note yet polymer buffer strip Corning earlier gas victors were high strength thickened motherboard reinforced aluminum, new and improved flagship 200 MP LHP with enhanced computing power to give you flagship imaging experience, further enhancing the high-resolution experience. 120 HyperCharge not just charges your smartphone at supersonic speeds, but is also backed by Redmi's own smart charging engine for better optimization. Those first smartphone powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra 5G based on flagship, same as Forces offers a 15 improvement in overall performance compared to the previous generation. ARM Cortex-2 7 samples na is 6.5 nested 2.0G. Team Posil seems 5 TMV mixed in stick form and Imagic 765 LPDs RAM UFs 3.1 storage hyper engine 5.0. Redmi Note 13 Pro 5's vapor chamber cooling system makes sure everything runs smoothly, supporting you in all your heavy-duty, intense tasks.